If you want to be a grill boss, you need to know all the sizzling secrets. It means a total commitment to the grill. You sure you're ready?
Yeah!
All right, here's the first secret. You need a grill that gives perfect results every time. And the Traeger Pro Wood Pellet Grill is it. It does all the work for you. All you have to do is set the temperature and you get that incredible wood-fired flavor. It's as easy as that.
Yum!
Okay, here's another tip. You need to have the best tools for the job. The Cuisinart Wooden Grill tool set gets it done. Grab, flip, scrape. You can do it all.
Whoa, so shiny.
We like to sizzle, but we can't sizzle too much or too little. The meat has to be just right. That's why we use the ThermoPro digital thermometer.
Look good to me!
And the last secret, no one has time for warm drinks. This Igloo cooler is going to keep all the juice boxes cold for a long time.
Cheers!
Dig in, Junior Grill Boss.